Hey girls and guys, if there's any guys. In this video I'm going to show you how I made these baby bling Converses. It's really easy, really simple. The tools you'll need is a shoe, of course. I got these from JCPenney's on sale. You would need your E6000 glue, and I particularly like the one with this type of head on it because it doesn't spill out a lot of glue. You can control it. And I also like the smaller version of the E6000 glue, and it comes with these little smaller head tips. You will need your rhinestones, which these aren't the ones that I used. These were a little bit too big. These are SS20. I used SS16 for the shoe, which is a little bit smaller. I think when making these shoes you have to use a smaller stone because you don't want it to look real bulky and messy. You'll need your pick-me-up tool, and that's pretty much it. How I started was that I glued around the edge, so about halfway, and then I put the stones around the edge first, and then started working my way in the middle all the way down. Then I would get to a certain point and then put more glue and then do the same thing. I mean, it just takes time and patience to do, but it's super easy and they turn out really great. You just have to make sure that you are precise with the glue. You don't want it to be too messy or all over the place. It just takes a little bit of time. I mean, I could do another video of me doing some more shoes, but I think if you just practice and try what I just told you, you'll be fine.